guys, welcome back. Well, we got a beautiful day here, late January. It's in the 50s, it's sunny. Okay, here's the fire break. We'll see if it works. Worst case is this stuff goes up and Sharon's got to find honeysuckle somewhere in the woods, but wind feels pretty decent. Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. Welcome to this little mini series. So here's a quick look at this house pond from last summer. It was basically, at least a decade worth of overgrowth. I mean, these trees are big, as you've seen by the burn piles from the last episode. So that was our starting point. We're getting close. I envision this is all going to be done here by this spring and replanted so we could mow it. So anyways, just a real quick look at our starting point. So let's get into today's update. Thanks a lot. Briars don't want to go. The stalks. Still alive, they don't want to go. Well, I thought it was going to go a little better, but we'll see. Let's bring it around the side. Just to give you a little idea what it looks like over here. All right, I got it going a little down here, but this was my only real concern, this dry slash pile, but wind is perfect, not even going that way, so we're good. Man, I got a thorn stuck in my finger. All right, well, it's gonna be a long one, I guess. Maybe I'll go get a hot dog. All right, that's a bust. It's not going well enough, so I put all this out over here so it didn't creep back to the pond and our lawn, but I'm just gonna let it smother out and I'll pull it all with the excavator. That was plan A. Okay, so I'm sure we're going to have a lot of questions on my methodology on why I chose to do it this way. First of all, if you caught the last episode, I started pushing this with the 60 horse Coyote, and it was kind of dangerous because of all this slash, dangerous to the tractor. Yanking wires or hydraulic lines from underneath, because it may not look like it, but this stuff is every bit of 8 foot tall and super, super thick. So the tractor was out. The big RX could have pushed it, but this pond dam is slick. It's rain, it's winter time. There's actually still ice underneath here where you can't see. That's part of the reason this stuff wouldn't burn. So if we had that new dozer, that high lifter, that would have been a good candidate, maybe, although it still might have been slippery. So that's why I picked the excavator. So I'm going to go ahead and try to clear this whole thing, put a rough grade on it, and complete this. This will be the end of the weekend working on this project. So let's see how it's going to go. Thanks.
waiting for a feeling that never ever came. It feels so close, but always disappears.
But it's time you got the news.
I'm gonna harden my heart.
Harden your heart.
I'm gonna swallow my tears.
Swallow your tears, girl.
I'm gonna turn